everyone, I'm Elisa with EECC Travels, and I have a travel product review video for you today. So what I'm reviewing today is the Eagle 4K Action Cam. So this is very similar to, everybody knows what the brand GoPro is. So this is very similar to that type of camera. It is an action camera, and let me just kind of tell you our story behind this. So this is our GoPro, and we made the mistake of leaving this buoy attachment on it all the time, and then when we went to take it off to put it on something else, it had rusted onto. So this camera is not good for anything else anymore other than using it with this buoy. So we have all these attachments and we needed another camera. So in doing some research, we found this camera, and I'm just going to show you, this is the box that it came in, so you would see what it looks like. And I'm gonna leave a link to it for Amazon down in the description. But just let me show you this camera, okay? And I'm gonna turn around so I can show you the more features of the camera up close. Okay, so this is the Eagle 4K Action Cam. And it has the waterproof box on it. And this is how you turn it on. Okay, and you'll see it has a display screen on the back, and that is one thing that our GoPro did not have. Now I know there are GoPros that have that, but ours did not. So this display screen is really, really nice to have. Okay, how to activate it is the button on top. So I've got it in video mode right now. So see, now it's recording. All right, see the little, that indicates on this side that it's recording, and then the blinking red light there indicates it's recording. Okay, and then you just press the button again to stop it. All right, so this display screen is very, very handy. So there's also two buttons on the side. So from here, if you press this button, so you can change it from video to picture. And if you press the second button, it turns the Wi-Fi on. So there's an app you can download so you can transfer your video and or pictures straight to the app. Okay, it's got the same connections as any GoPro or Action Cam, so you can connect it with any of the multiple attachments that you have. Okay, so this camera came with, this is our favorite attachment that it came with, which is a wrist strap. We really liked this wrist strap. We found this was very handy because you tighten it really, really tight on your wrist, and then you just kind of point your arm at what you're wanting to record. So this worked really good on water slides and things like that. And we used it in the lazy river, and that, you know, anything that you're scared that you're gonna drop your camera or you're required to have it strapped on, this wrist strap worked fantastic. Okay, but you just, by taking this pin out, it's completely interchangeable. So I have a multitude of different attachments that we had from our other camera, and they all work. So here's my head strap, I have a chest strap, all kinds of, everything that I had already works with this camera. So that was a huge plus for us. One thing that's also cool is it comes with a remote. So you can put this up on a tripod and use this remote. And you see the remote has a wrist strap too to turn it on and off. So I thought that was a really neat feature that I had not seen on a camera before. Okay, so this camera will open up, come out of its waterproof case. And this is what it looks like otherwise. So here's your ports here to put your memory card in and to charge it. And you can use it without its case as well. So of course we all know that a waterproof case does muffle the audio, but this one is a lot better than this camera was. The audio with the closed box on this camera definitely came out much better than the audio with the closed box on this camera. So that's another plus for this camera. Okay, so the starting price for a GoPro camera is around the $140, $150 range for the basic model, and it goes up from there. But this camera here, another thing I really liked about it is it's around $75. So honestly, in my opinion, this is a very good camera, good value, and of course you want to see what this camera does, so I'm going to now insert a couple of minutes of video of what we have actually recorded with this camera over our last few trips. So we've got dual cameras this time.
Gotta be super tight so it won't wiggle.
There's our new camera. It is an Eagle 4K, and it has a
display screen
on
it.
it.
It's not turned on right now, but.
So what do you think of this pool? It's cold, huh? Again, if you like this camera, it is the Eagle 4K Action Cam. It can be found on Amazon. There's going to be a link down in the description where you can click the link and it'll take you to Amazon so you can check out this camera for yourself. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. If you're new to our channel, please subscribe for more travel videos to come. And until next time, see you later. Thanks. Bye.